Guys, Coach Chapin, you're in my kitchen. You know what time it is. I'm going to show you my down and dirty post-workout protein shake that I've been making for years. It's simple, it's easy, and it tastes great. So, first thing, there's two options. You can use canned coconut milk, which I have used. I use half a cup, or you could use Greek yogurt. I generally, you want to look the back. I like the plain, just Greek yogurt. If you use regular yogurt, it's up to you. Depends on your dairy tolerance. So, and then here I have vanilla protein, and the scent's pretty good. It's sweet. It has no artificial sweeteners. So I will link that down below. We also have some at the gym if you want to try it out. Sweetened with monk fruit and stevia. And then I put half a serving of collagen protein in this too. That will link be down below too. So I have it in here. Put that in. And I'm going to add a little MTC oil. Now, I just like the extra fat. And I have 100 grams of mixed berries. Now, this has strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, but for the most part, I don't know if you can see this, it's pretty much just mostly strawberries. So I put that in. Now, feel free to add more or less depending on your tastes, but I was just trying to give you guys an accurate representation of what I use. About 100 grams for me is one handful. So I've also added a little bit of water. And we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. Now you don't need a Vitamix. I have one, but if you want one, feel free to buy it with the link below. And I also sometimes like greens. I just do not have any right now. And yeah, it doesn't. If when I add baby spinach, it doesn't affect the flavor at all. So I'm gonna turn this on. This is what it looks like, the consistency. If you would have put some more greens in there, it would not look as pink. So now for the big pour. See how it just pours out? That's perfect. All right, I'm gonna finish pouring. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is a lot harder with one hand than you would imagine. So, another trick, obviously there's some stuff left in there. I will add a little bit of water, kind of rinse it around, and then pour that in there. Now, life hack, if you are putting greens in there, I obviously drank some, so it was all on my face. If you put the greens in there, it will turn it brown if you let it sit. So it doesn't affect the taste, but it can kind of freak you out a little bit if it's the first time drinking that. But this is a great treat for after a workout. I really like to make them sometimes before I work out, get that fructose in, fuel myself for the workout. And in the summer, it's also very refreshing because a lot of times you just don't want to eat when it's 90 degrees outside, or if you're like me, you spend a ton of time outside. So please subscribe, like, and share, and feel free to comment below what you would like me to see, what you want me to make. I know you think that sometimes this is not really how I eat and live, and I'm willing to go outside of my comfort zone, so feel free to comment on what you want to see below. Or if you want to join Coach Chapin in the kitchen and we could do a collaboration of your strengths and my strengths, I'm up for that. But we'll see you next week. It's going to be amazing. So, see you guys in the next video.